Hello everyone. This is my second video of a component development video series. In this video, I want to show you how to use JSP and Servlets with web.xml. Let's move to the slides. So the first thing is, what is JSP? The JSP stands for Java Servlet Page. Is a technology used for creating the web pages that support dynamic content, provides various special JSP tags to retrieve the data from databases, access Java Beans components, sharing information between requests and pages so that developers can use it to add Java code, HTML files, XML, SOAP, and other document types. So this is the main idea of JSP. So we know that why do we need JSP? JSP being a server-side programming language, it helps in creating dynamic web pages, not only with Java APIs, but a connection with the database is an added advantage, which was previously not possible. Action commands and textual data both can be combined in JSP. Dynamic content like checkboxes, action buttons can be extracted for their values. So JSP can access Java Beans, so an object for it. So this is the diagrammatic explanation of working with JSP. JSP is translated into a regular servlet first, as any servlet would do. It translates the request, but first time only, unlike servers. The results obtained when the translator recognizes the file name with its extensions as .jsp files. Then it is forwarded to the servlet again, or the JSP output can be generated. So first, a normal request is sent to the server by the browser, and the server recognized it as a JSP page and send it into the JSP server for execution. Then the server recognized this by locating the page with the extension as .jsp file. Then it converted into a servlet, and then engine converted servlet into an executable class. So this is the diagrammatic explanation of the JSP. Then let's move to another slide. So what is servlet? This is a simple diagram how the servlet works. So what is servlet? Servlet is a normal Java class which extends HTTP servlet, since we want the servlet features replaced. Process response, those are the features, and the response from servlet will be in HTML format. So you can also send response in JSON or XML format. Now that HTML page will go from your server to client machine in the format of response object. So basically, Servlet is a Java program that runs particularly inside JVM or Java virtual machine on the web server. It is generally used to make dynamic web applications and web pages. It is a technology that is used to develop dynamic web applications. It uses Java language. So this is the main idea of Servlet. Let's move to another slide. let's look at how those servlets and JSP works by the NetBeans by doing the practical. So go to the NetBeans and first I create the new project here. It's a Java web application project. So click next. V1. I add project name as V1. Next. So this is my created web application as V1. Here I add the servlet. I add the servlet. I add the servlet here as a new. So this is the created servlet. Here I remove those parts. In here I add the do get method right here. Do get. So I remove the superclass. Response dot get right dot right and see. So this is the servlet I created. Then I create the web.xml file here in the web.inf folder. Standard deployment descriptor. Here I add Servlet name, this is a session config. After the end of the session config, I add the servlet. In the servlet tag, I add servlet name. As here, and the servlet class so and I add the servlet as name. So let's deploy that. So we want to add servlet mapping here. And here I add servlet name as well as servlet class. And here I add URL pattern. So this is the web.xml file and this is the servlet. So let's go. In here we can see that the v1 is deployed successfully. Let's look at the output. Localhost 8080 v1 as application name. The name is the server name. So X is the output here. So in that way we can create the web.xml files. So This is the end of my second video. Let's move on to the third video.